This is probably the cutest ever in this video. Umitim yung kilikili ko nung pinagbubuntis ko si Tala. Ganon siya. So, I'm gonna try to tear it. And see hindi talaga siya. I'm gonna be very, very real. Nobody ever talks about this. Kapag buntis ka, because you're carrying so much weight, very, very prone ka sa hemorrhoids.
See me when you talk, I don't know what to say. I'm going. See me when I walk, I'm walking far away. I'm leaving. See me looking back, I'm thinking of the time I'm saying. Turn around, I'm stepping out of line, I'm running.
Hey guys, it's me again, Tristine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to do essentials for mga moms out there, whether you are mom-to-be, whether you have a newborn, or whether you have a toddler. There is always something there for you kasi we love shopping, diba? For ourselves and for our little ones. So today, nandito ako sa Babymama here in the shops at the Infinity dito sa Pampanga. But if you're not from Pampanga, Babymama also has stores sa Quezon City, BGC, Alabang, and you can visit their website. It's www.Babymama.PH, and meron din silang Shopee and Lazada. Yung bunso ko is already 2 years old. So, in 2 years, parang alam ko na kung alin talaga dun sa mga nabili namin before, yung nasulit talaga namin, yung talagang nagamit namin siya everyday from pinanganak siya up to now, and alam din naman yung parang natenga lang sa bahay. Hindi naman pala ganun ka-importante. Also, I'm going to share with you guys stuff I wish I had back then. To be honest, before, ang meron lang ako breast pump. Kasi akala ko, kapag gusto mong mag-breastfeed, basta meron ka lang breast pump, you're good. But, hindi pala ganun. Marami ka pang ibang pwedeng maging gamit para mas mapadali yung breastfeeding journey mo. So yeah, let's talk about that in today's video. So the first item on our list is this one. It's a hands-free breast pumping na bra. Before kasi, hindi naman ganun kalakas yung milk supply ko. So I try to pump as often as I can. And then, ang napansin ko nun, minsan parang tinatamad akong mag-pump or pagod na ako kasi sleepless nights, diba? Tapos magpa-pump ka pa, nakakangawit, ang sakit sa katawan, and I wish pwede pa ako mag-cellphone kasi as you know, tinuloy-tuloy ko naman yung influencer life ko kahit nung buntis ako and bagong panganak ako. So, para makakapag-post ako sa mga social media ko, diba? So, this one is very life-changing. It looks like a bralette. Meron siyang pag-adjust dito, like a regular bra. And then yan. Dito yung slot para sa pump. Not all of us naman are stay-at-home moms. And of course, it's time na rin to go back to office for some of us. So, kung plano mong mag-breastfeed, kailangan mo mag-stash ng breast milk for your baby. Ayan. You have options. Pwedeng itong mga bottles na ganito, ilagay mo sa freezer, or pwede din yung mga ganito. Para silang ziplock. So, pwede mo rin gamitin ito pag gusto mo mag-donate ng breast milk mo sa NICU. Usually kasi yung mga nasa NICU yan, mga kailangan nila ng donation ng breast milk. This is filed under stuff I wish I had back then. Sometimes, hindi mo pa oras or schedule mag-pump, pero parang may mga letdowns. Letdowns yung pakonti-konting nagpo-flow na breast milk. Minsan iisipin mo, sayang din yun, diba? Kasi iniipon-ipon mo nga siya pag nagpa-pump ka. So, this one, kaya super nire-rave to, si Haakaa. Kasi, well, one, you could use it for manual pumping. Kapag feeling mo lang your breast feels heavy and gusto mo mag-manual pump kahit hindi ka pa talaga nakaschedule mag-pump, or when you're in the car, ganyan, or sa isang restroom, tapos gusto mo lang mag-pump, yan, you could use this to manually pump. But also, you could use this for your letdowns. And super nire-rave to kasi guys, ang cute ng stopper niya. Flower na stopper. I think itong stopper yung main reason kung gusto ko na meron akong ganito noon. So, itong mga to, lactation supplements, lactation treats. Na-try ko din to lahat before. Meron pa nga yung mga lactation brownies, lactation cookies, ganyan. It's just that, medyo high maintenance yung mga lactation na pastries. Because, ang mahal naman kung everyday gagastos ka ng 300 pesos for a box of pastries, diba? I suggest you get these ones instead. So, this is a Malunggay Okra Luya Concentrate. A bottle will last you for a week or a couple of days. Depende kung gaano mo siya kadalas iinumin. But, imagine kung ganito siya kalaki. This one is 1 liter. So, kung 1 liter siya, tapos 3 teaspoon lang ang ihahalo mo sa isang glass of water, definitely this will last you for a week or so. Meron din siyang 300 ml. This one naman is only 110 pesos. But if you're after big savings, go for the bigger one na, of course. When I was pregnant, super feel ko na deprived ako kasi bigla akong tinanggalan ng coffee. I really love coffee. Tapos, pagkapanganak mo, bawal ka pa rin mag-coffee kasi nga nagbe-breastfeed ka. So, I would go for any other coffee alternative back then. So, this one is good kasi coffee alternative siya. And then, it helps you with your milk supply as well. It's a coffee mix na meron siyang mangosteen, spirulina, and moringa. Next, we have these very cute bags. Syempre, I got pink and blue para if you have a baby girl or a baby boy. And meron din silang gender-neutral colors. You don't have to worry, guys. So, it looks like an ordinary bag sa isang look. But itong ilalim na part niya is actually insulated. So, what if you have to go to the pedia kasi may check-up or you have to go visit relatives or friends? Dito mo sa insulated part, pwedeng ilagay yung mga breast milk mo na stash. So, it comes with this one. Ito naman, guys, kailangan nyo siyang lagyan ng tubig sa loob. And then, lolobo siya. Tapos, i-freezer nyo para ma-store ng mabuti yung mga breast milk. Actually, kami, yun yung isa sa mga pinakasulit buys namin. Yung baby bag ni Tala. Yung baby bag niya kasi from newborn siya up to ngayon na 2.5 years old na siya, nagagamit namin siya. Kasi every time we go out, of course, we need a bag to store yung mga bottles niya, mga toys niya, invest in good quality na baby bags. Now we have this one. It looks like a bag, but it's not a bag. Yan. This one is a breastfeeding pillow. Sabi ko sa inyo, it's good yung latching, di ba? Yung naka-direct feed sa'yo si baby. So, ang nangyayari kasi noon, lalo na kapag sobrang liit pa niya, tapos ipapatong mo siya sa lap mo, parang ang sakit noon sa likod. So, ito, ganun siya. Ganito siya. And then, nandito si baby. So, yung likod mo, mas comfortable siya all throughout the feed. Now, last item under the breastfeeding category is this one. It's a nipple care cream. Na-try ko mag-breastfeed for very little time lang. Kasi nga, tumaas yung BP ko and also nag-take ako ng gamot and then bawal ko siyang ituloy-tuloy. Very little time lang yon, but naka-feel ako na sore yung nipple ko because unli-latch kasi talaga eh. Lalo na kapag bagong panganak yung baby, unli-latch. Kasi mas natural sa mother and baby yung nagla-latch. Latch is naka-direct feed siya sa'yo. Or lalo na yung mga nagpapa-breastfeed dyan hanggang doon sa time na nagpipiting na yung baby nila. Now, let's move on naman to the items for self-care ni buntis and ni bagong panganak. I believe this is the time na we really have to care for ourselves and syempre ganun din, no, our partners and our family, we really need to feel that they really care for us and all that. But syempre, it starts with us din. So, for the self-care ng mga bagong panganak, I suggest you get this one. But it depends. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng pagbubuntis eh. Although, ako kasi, I'm gonna be real. Sobrang umitim yung kilikili ko nung pinagbubuntis ko si Tala. Although kay Tio, wala talaga. Walang sumpa. Pero kay Tala, grabe. So, I suggest you get this one. It's the Postnatal Whitening Cream. Kasi prone naman talaga sa ganun eh, yung magda-darken yung either kilikili mo or batok mo, mga singit-singit mo, siko, ganyan. You get this one para manumbalik ulit ang iyong confidence. Another one is eto mga to. Ako kasi na emergency C-section ako kay Tala. So, kailangan ko talaga yung mga support like this. So, itong mga to, magagamit mo sila as support for your surgery kung na C-section ka. Or, kahit hindi ka naman na C-section, pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin para shape trainer ng waist. Para mas mapabalik yung iyong pre-pregnancy na body. Now, another item naman na I'm gonna be very, very real. Nobody ever talks about this, but I'm gonna go out on a limb here and talk about this. So, this is Tax Medicated Cooling Pads. What is this? It's actually a hemorrhoidal pads with witch hazel. So, nobody talks about it. Lalo na sa social media siguro kasi nakakahiya. But, kapag buntis ka, because you're carrying so much weight, very, very prone ka sa hemorrhoids. And it could be very uncomfortable. So, this one, cooling pad siya. Other newborn essentials, syempre, nag-arty-arty pa tayo kapag super baby pa lang nila, diba? So, we don't really use the same dishwashing liquid and the same detergent that we use sa mga damit natin, sa mga plato natin, dun sa mga stuff nila. So, this one is Cradle Natural Bottle and Nipple Cleanser. And this one naman is Smart Steps Baby Laundry Detergent. So, this is liquid detergent para dun sa mga naka-washing machine. Or, pwede din itong powder na detergent. Kasi naalala ko nun si Tala, hina-hand wash din namin yung mga damit niya. Para lang mas safe din. For me lang naman powder mas okay for hand washing. And then, liquid, dahil concentrated siya, mas good siya for washing machine. Isa sa mga problems din nating mga moms is yung sobrang daming mosquito everywhere, diba? Lalo na outdoors. And yung mga kids natin, syempre, they love outdoors. Or minsan, kapag naka-season lang talaga, ang daming mosquito kahit anong linis yung gawin mo sa house. So, I really stock up on different na mosquito repellents. Marami kayong choices actually. This one is my favorite. Kasi pag natutulog si Tala, ididikit ko lang to sa pantulog niya. This is a mosquito patch. Tapos, sobrang cute. Akala ni Tala, mga stickers sila na laruan. So, kapag tapos namin gamitin overnight, nilalaro niya na ng morning. This one naman, lotion. Pero pag newborn, I suggest yung patch. Kasi pag lotion, hindi mo alam pa kung allergic pa siya or not eh. So, pag newborn, I go for the patch and the spray. This one naman is a citronella spray. And then, kapag medyo toddler na siya and gusto na niyang nag-wear yung mga watch, mahilig na siya sa mga cute na animals, she could also go for this one. This is the repellent na part. Tapos, meron siya mga refills. Papalitan mo lang yun nasa loob niya. Now, let's go naman to the fun items like toys and books. Napapansin niyo naman siguro yung mga babies niyo rin, mahilig silang magngat-ngat or tatry nilang i-taste yung paper, ganon. So, don't give them yet paper books. Siyempre, pupunitin din nila yan and all that. So, this is your choice. It's a cloth book. This one is really cute though, dinosaurs. So, ito siya. We can browse. Ayan, may tail pa ng dinosaur dito. Available yung iba-ibang design ng cloth books here sa Babymama. And my favorite, kasi yung anak ko is magaling magsira ng books. Nakailang books na kami binili sa kanya. Even yung mga hard na pages talaga nasisira niya. This is part of their indestructible na collection. And I chose Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for Tala. I'm gonna buy this because, syempre, Tala is star. So, sabi nila, it is chew-proof, rip-proof, non-toxic, and 100% washable. So, I'm gonna try to tear it. And see Okay. Hindi talaga siya. Pero of course, expect nyo naman na malulukot siya. Pero, hindi talaga siya masisira. So, this one, for the first time, meron ng book si Tala na magtatagal sa kanya. And I can't wait to take this home sa kanya para makita na naiinis siya, napipikon siya kasi hindi niya talaga masira itong book. This is probably the cutest ever in this video. Look, it's a penguin. And yan. Ganito siya, oh. Diba? Ang cute-cute. So, upo lang siya dito. And then, in this area, lalagyan mo lang siya nitong plastic bags na ganito. And meron pa silang other colors and other designs nito. But yeah, for me, this is the cutest. Kaya ito yung pinili ko. I am actually advocating for wooden toys. Yes, hindi ko ikakaila na may plastic toys pa rin si Tala kasi mas common naman talaga yon. If you go to Toy Kingdom or kung saan man, plastic pa rin talaga yung makikita mo. But if you guys have the option to go for wooden toys, I suggest you go for wooden toys. It's good for the environment and hindi naman sila yung parang brown lang talaga na boring. This is a wooden toy puzzle. Mga vehicles to, iba-ibang vehicles. Pero si Tala kasi, favorite niya sobra yung Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So, ito yung pinili ko para sa kanya. So, kung makikita niyo may blank area dito, yan. Pupunuan mo ng mga animals. It's my niece's first birthday tomorrow. This one, I'm going to give to her as a gift. It's a wooden xylophone yan. And then, another one is this. Tala loves yung mga pag nagsa-stack din siya ng blocks, gustong-gusto niya. Yun nga lang, minsan napipikon siya. Pero yeah, gusto niya. Before I end this vlog, I would like to include lang that they also have this in Babymama. These are fertility supplements. Merong pang babae and meron ding pang lalaki. I will not talk so much about infertility because I know that's a sensitive topic and I'm not an expert sa ganong area. If you are looking for these ones, I'm just gonna put it out there. Available sila sa Babymama stores and on their website. I really love seeing shopping videos, lalo na kapag home items or baby items. So, I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Again, don't forget to visit www.Babymama.PH and visit yung store nila dito sa Angeles, BGC, Alabang, and QZ. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Bye!